again. Now, I have some reviews this week. I've got 6 car models through the post. One of them is a Bn2t again. I thought when I first saw these ones that they were funny, had the same name. I since found out they're the actual type of loco. It's like calling an 040 loco. It doesn't mean that all 040s are the same. They're all different. These ones are designated by their names, as you can see on the front of this car kit. It's a nice kit. You've got the loco and you've got 2 wagons with it, which also make up a little train set for you. I might be able to do something different with this one. I'm going to experiment on my steam train, but then hopefully if I can get that right, I'll be transferring it over to the rest of these locos that I'm showing you today. Until next time, from me and Carla, see you all soon. Bye for now.